Okay, question 11. An object on Earth has a weight of 150 newtons. On which planet would the same object have an approximate weight of 170 newtons? Okay, so we know the weight of the object on Earth is 150. All right. So what we can do is let's again start with our formula for this question. Okay, so W equal to mg. So W is a weight, M is a mass, and G is the acceleration due to gravity. So if the weight of the Earth is 150, okay, so again plug in W equal 150. We don't know the mass of the object, but we do know on Earth, the acceleration due to gravity, that's 9.8. Okay, we can figure it out from the table. So you can go ahead and plug it in. Okay, so see, based on this equation, we can actually solve for the mass of the object. Okay, so for once you have the mass of the object, we can use that to solve for, to figure out which planet, because the mass of the object will never change. Okay, so you can use that to plug into the formula again. But let's just go ahead and solve for m here. We can divide by 9.8 on both sides. So 9.8 cancel. We get m equal to 150 divided by 9.8. Let's go and type in the calculator. That's approximately 15.3. Okay, so the mass of the object is about 15.3 kilograms. All right. So once we have that, what we have to do is we will use the formula again. All right, see, the question says if we have the same object, right, the weight is now 170 Newton. Plug in 170 here. The mass we know is going to be the same as 15.3. We want to figure out which planet it is. So what we can do is we can solve for G. And once we have the G value, we can use that number to go to our table and try to match with one of the planet. Okay, so solve for G, we have to get G by itself. We do have to divide by 15.3 on both sides here. Okay, so 15.3 cancel. We do 170 over 15.3. We get G equal to 11.11, repeating. Okay, so which one is the closest on the table? 11.1 have to be right there, so it corresponds to Saturn. Okay, so we know the object must be on Saturn in order to have a weight of 170. So letter B should be our final answer, number 11.